Bamboo versus steel steamers, the updated truth about which is actually better. Hey there, kitchen warriors. Let me guess, you're standing in the store right now staring at both bamboo and steel steamers, wondering which one to buy? Well, after testing both extensively in professional kitchens, I'm breaking down the real differences that actually matter. And trust me, the truth might surprise you. Before we dive in, imagine perfectly steamed dumplings with that restaurant-quality texture, or vegetables that are crisp, tender, and bursting with flavor. Sound good? Let's settle this debate once and for all. The dilemma. Here's what most home cooks struggle with: conflicting advice about which steamer is better, uncertainty about which one will last longer, confusion about what each is best suited for, worry about spending money on the wrong choice. The head-to-head comparison. Let's put these kitchen workhorses through their paces in real-world scenarios. 1. Initial cost. Bamboo steamer, usually $15 to $30 for quality options, multiple tiers included, replacement parts available, more affordable upfront steel steamer, $25 to $50 for good quality, often single tier, built to last longer, higher initial investment. Pro tip: quality bamboo beats cheap steel every time, regardless of price. 2. Durability and longevity. Bamboo, 2 to 3 years with proper care, can develop mold if not dried properly. Natural material degrades over time. Replacement cost is reasonable. Steel, 5+ years lifespan, dishwasher safe, resistant to rust if properly maintained, more durable long-term. Pro tip: hand-dry bamboo steamers immediately after use to prevent warping and mold. 3rd, cooking performance. Bamboo absorbs excess moisture, more even steam distribution, natural flavor enhancement, better for delicate foods. Steel, quick heat-up time, consistent temperature, no flavor absorption, better for heavy-duty steaming. Pro tip: bamboo excels with dumplings and fish, steel with vegetables and larger items. 4. Storage and versatility. Bamboo, stackable design, multiple tiers for different foods, lightweight, takes more space. Steel, compact nesting design, usually single layer, heavier, easier to store. Pro tip: stack bamboo steamers for simultaneous cooking of different dishes. The real differences. Here's what actually matters when choosing. Bamboo steamer advantages: 1. Better moisture management. 2. More authentic results for Asian cuisine. 3. Multiple tiers included. 4. No condensation dripping. 5. Natural material, steel steamer. Advantages: 1. Easier maintenance. 2. More durable. 3. Dishwasher safe. 4. Better for Western cooking. 5. More versatile with other cooking methods. Surprising findings. Here's what might shock you. 1. Bamboo actually maintains temperature better. 2. Steel isn't always more durable. 3. Neither is definitively better. It depends on your cooking style. 4. The best setup might be owning both. Real-world test results. I tested both with various foods. Dumplings, bamboo, 10 out of 10 texture. Steel, 7/10 texture, vegetables. Bamboo, 8/10 crispness. Steel, 9/10 crispness. Fish, bamboo, 9/10 moisture retention. Steel, 7/10 moisture retention. The verdict: choose bamboo. If you mainly steam Asian cuisine, you want to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, you prefer traditional cooking methods, you steam delicate foods often, choose steel. If you want lowest maintenance, you steam vegetables frequently, you need dishwasher-safe options, you value longevity over tradition. Bonus pro tips. 1. Care instructions. Bamboo. Never soak. Hand wash only. Dry thoroughly. Store in ventilated area. Steel. Can soak if needed. Dishwasher safe. Dry before storing. Check for rust regularly. 2. Maximizing lifespan. Line bamboo with parchment or cabbage leaves. Use food-grade mineral oil on bamboo every few months. Clean immediately after use. Store properly to prevent damage. Taking action. Ready to choose your perfect steamer? Here's your game plan. 1. Consider what you cook most often. 2. Assess your maintenance preferences. 3. Think about storage space. 4. Choose based on your cooking style. The perfect choice isn't about which is better, it's about which fits your cooking style better. What's your experience with these steamers? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more kitchen comparison guides, hit that subscribe button and join our community of informed home chefs. Quick question: are you Team Bamboo or Team Steel? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like this video and click the notification bell to stay updated with more kitchen pro tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle another kitchen challenge together.